Hello everyone, my name is Archana and I am the founder of Conscious Living Center. I'm here to let you all know of the great opportunity that is coming your way to understand more about life. There's a workshop I'll be facilitating on 15th of April at Target HR MG Road, Bengaluru from 9:30 to 12:30 on a Sunday. I want all of you to make the most of this opportunity and register yourself for the workshop now. Now, if you are thinking, what's the workshop about? The title is Conscious Living, the Vedic Way of Life. And if you want to know more about what this means and what is it that you can expect by coming to this workshop, I have been releasing a series of videos. 2 of them are already out. This is the 3rd one. Please check out, listen to all of them, and you will know why it is so important for you and your loved ones to come and attend this workshop. See, first of all, according to me, most of us are not living the life of a human. And you know what is the biggest joke that I feel nowadays? First, we do all attempts to convert all human beings into machines and like robots. And now we say artificial intelligence or robots or machines are going to really take over all the jobs or most of the jobs of human beings, and therefore there's a crisis that we are looking into. Really? The point is, if human beings know what is life, who are they and what are they here for, and the kind of meaning that they need to have in their life, definitely, believe me friends, it's much more than going for a job and earning some living. That may be a part of what we do, but it definitely cannot be the main purpose of our life. But aren't most of us making our livelihood the biggest priority in our life? Our entire life revolves around our livelihood. But should that be so or not? How do we know? So this workshop is going to give you more clarity about some very, very critical things that we have somehow missed out learning about. What is life? Who are you? What is your real purpose in life? These are 3 most important questions that we all need to know before we step into the world to live our own lives and make our own decisions in life. We all to some extent have heard of the ancient scriptures that have been provided to us to let us know about what is life and how life is meant to live. Right? But most of us do not go through it, do not read it. We don't have the time to read. We don't have the time to read about life, how to live life, because we are busy leading our lives already. If you just listen to what I'm saying, doesn't it sound ironical? But isn't that true in all of our lives? So I'm going to take Bhagavad Gita, one of the ancient scriptures that talks about life and the way to live life. And one of the most prominent fundamental things there is talking about Varna Ashrama Dharma. Varna and Ashrama Dharma. Now, what are these Varnas? What are these Ashramas? What is the relevance of these things in our life? How do we know where we belong? And what is the relevance of knowing this is what you're going to get a glimpse of in this workshop if you attend. So if you have really got the point, you know this workshop is not only for those youngsters who are stepping into their life as an adult and are going to make important decisions in their life. Will it not be good for you? If you know what is life, who are you, what's your purpose before you head out there and make most important decisions of your life? If you are somebody who is going through what we call as midlife crisis, then this workshop is for you. Midlife crisis, according to me, I've also gone through that, is nothing but when we finally wake up and start asking this question, what is this life all about? What is the meaning of what I am doing? And we have a little backing and a little courage to say, if I can figure that out and if I can get that clarity on what will make me happy, I want to move away from what I'm doing day in and day out, which does not seem to be the right thing for me and is not seeming like my biggest purpose in life, is not making me happy, and move towards that thing that will make me happy and feel like I'm living a meaningful life. So this workshop is open for anybody who is above 15 years of age. So if you are a family, you can come with your spouse and your child who is above 15 years. If you are a young adult and stepping into your adult life, you can register yourself. If you are an individual who wants to figure out your life and you are, going through the midlife crisis, and or else you're one of those rare breeds who is wanting to find out the meaning of your life in whatever age you are, make a beginning now with this workshop. It's a Sunday, and it's only 3 hours of your Sunday that I'm asking you to devote to understand some of the most important questions in your life that will give you the direction to lead a happy and purposeful life. When I say happy, yes, believe me, when we start living a life which has a purpose, a meaning, there is a satisfaction, a contentment that we all feel, and that satisfaction and contentment, according to me, ultimately is the real happiness. Other joy, you buy a chocolate, you feel happy for a moment. You get a job, you feel happy for a few days. You get a car, you feel happy for a few days. You get married, you feel happy for a whatever time, right? But these are all temporary, and we all know that. But this contentment and satisfaction of doing something that we really believe in, that we feel is our calling, our purpose in life, cannot be matched by anything. Any amount of money, any amount of luxury cannot replace that. I'm sure you agree with me. So if you understand what I mean, please write to me at archana@consciouslivingcenter.in or visit our Facebook page, Conscious Living Center, where you will get all the details to register for this event, and register your seats now. Seats are limited only because we want to make the workshop extremely interactive so that you can have your aha moments and you can have your own experiential transformations within yourself in just these 3 hours. So don't miss. Once again, friends, I am begging you, make use of this opportunity. Come and participate. Register your seats now. Look forward to seeing you. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye-bye.